Hi there, students. Laugh before breakfast, cry before supper. Okay, this is a proverb that says don't be complacent. Yeah, don't rest on your laurels because things may not be as good as you think. Yeah, things very often tend to get worse. So be on the lookout for problems. Now, there are various versions of this. You could say, sing before breakfast, cry before supper. Or laugh before breakfast, cry before night. Or sing before breakfast, cry before 11. Okay, so this is a warning to be careful. Yeah, don't count your chickens before they're hatched. Yeah, don't celebrate the fact that you're going to win something or you're going to be successful, because maybe it's going to be more difficult than you actually think. Yeah. So yeah, when you're going to sell something and you think you're going to get lots of money and you're really happy because you're going to get lots of money for it, be really happy once you've actually sold it, rather than being premature. And this is the idea. Yeah. Okay, so the student said that he was definitely going to Cambridge University, but he was saying this before he'd been accepted. Yeah, and this could well turn out to be a case of sing before breakfast, cry before night. Yeah, I was sure everything was going to turn out really well, and everything in the end went wrong. So, well, it's like they say, sing before breakfast, cry before night. Yeah, so you need to be careful. If you're too optimistic at the beginning of something, you think that it's just going to be easy. Be careful. Yeah, so I think it's not a bad thing to be optimistic, but don't be overly optimistic, and don't decide that you've been successful before you've actually passed the test or done the thing. Yeah, so don't be complacent. I think this idiom, or this proverb, it's a warning about being overly complacent, about celebrating too early. Yeah. Okay, or in a competition where it's been your turn and you did a really good performance, and you say, I'm going to win, but be careful because there are still other competitors to go. Because sing before breakfast, cry before supper. Notice this word supper, by the way. Supper is another word for dinner. Yeah, for the meal that you eat in the evening, and it's very, very commonly used by the British, supper. Okay, so yeah, don't count your chickens before they're hatched. Yeah. Be optimistic, but don't be complacent. Don't rest on your laurels and think, well, yeah, I'm just so good at this that obviously I'm going to win. Yeah, I'm just such a wonderful person that obviously nothing can go wrong, because yeah, things can go wrong, and they do tend to go wrong. So enough. Oh no, I haven't done the formality yet. I think I'm probably going to give this a 4.5 in formality. I think you could probably use it anywhere, even in something very formal, but it's a touch on the more informal side. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Sing before breakfast, cry before supper.